Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share your 3 add-on kits to coordinate with your flavors of the month. So we have the cardstock, the pattern paper, and the embellishment add-on. You can also add the Shots of Life because it coordinates with our flavors of the month as well, and it can give you more pattern paper and more embellishments. So be sure to check it out. Let's dig right in and take a closer look at each one of these add-ons. The first add-on we're going to look at is the cardstock add-on, and I'm leaving the pattern paper up here so you can see the collections, how well they go together, and maybe the possibility of how you can mix and match some of these collections. Starting with Echo Park Family, you're going to get 1 sheet of blush and 2 sheets of wine. Photoplay paper, Yeti for Winter, you're going to get 1 lava and 2 whirlpools. For the Beautiful Junk, from Photoplay paper, you're going to get 1 sheet of Geyser and 2 sheets of mauve. And then for the Front Porch from Simple Stories, you're going to get 1 ladybug and 2 blueberry sheets of cardstock. So that's 3 cardstocks for each one of the 4 collections. You get 2 of one and 1 of the other. For your pattern papers, you're going to get 2 additional pattern papers for each one of the 4 collections. So none of these are duplicates. The cardstock is not a duplicate, and none of the embellishments will be. They're all additional. So starting with Echo Park Family, the 2 pattern papers are this beautiful white floral on the green and the gold design on the back. This is We Are Family floral. Then a beautiful butterfly print. The back is a green grid design. This is called Beautiful Butterflies. Yeti for Winter from Photoplay paper. You're going to get this paper called Yeti, which I love. It has all the Yetis and the sleds and the little trees and snowflakes, little snowballs. The back is this sweater print, super cute. And then we have this paper called Mountains, which is the mountain and tree scene. The back is a blue print. It kind of reminds me of snow falling and kind of water droplets. Love that blue. For the Beautiful Junk from Photoplay paper, you're going to get this one, which is a ledger print, and then it has all of these different kind of ephemera pieces over here and up here with some stitching and florals. A great background print. This back piece has all of these different pieces that you could use as a background. You could also fussy cut some of these out. We have tags and just little bits of ephemera pieces. This is called To-Do List. We have this paper called My Story, another great background. We have lots of collaged papers together. The back is a cut apart here, so you could cut apart these for little word labels. Tucking these in for subtitles and things like that. Super pretty. From Simple Stories Front Porch, we have this floral print on a text. This is called At Home. The back is a beautiful floral on the gold. And then we have this doily in all of the different colors. I love that. It's on that dark kind of charcoal color. This paper is called Better Together. And then we have a green plaid print, or checked print. So one more look at your pattern papers. So be sure to get that added on if you're like me and you love your pattern papers. Our final add-on we're going to look at is the embellishment add-on. For the Echo Park Family collection, you're going to get half a pack of the ephemera, so these will vary. Also, for the Yeti for Winter is half a pack of the ephemera. So you'll get this half or the other half. But it's a great variety. I love all of these little sayings for the Yeti, all bundled up in Yeti for Winter, Cold Hands, Warm Heart. For Photoplay paper, Beautiful Junk, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have this really thin striped border, lots of little word labels, beautiful, amazing, love this. All these gorgeous florals and kind of vintage pieces. For the Simple Stories Front Porch collection, you will also get a 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have this large scalloped wood grain border, lots of little word labels, these tabs here. The typewriter, love this. So kind of just everything from home, all of the collections. Love the beautiful colors, love the icons, love this shelf of books here. So that is a look at the embellishment add-on. One more look at your 3 add-ons. Remember to check out the Shots of Life kit that coordinates with the flavors of the month as well. And then all the other individual items. Come over to the Facebook group and the blog. We have lots of fun over there, lots of challenges, and we want to see you join in. Thanks so much for joining us in 2025, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits this year.